Hello and welcome to Trying to Understand Mathematics. So today we will be doing an introduction to solve for x. So we'll look at three equations. So the first one, as you can see, it's x plus 2 equals to 5. So this equation, we have the left hand side and the right hand side as labeled, and they are separated by the equal sign. So we need to put like terms on the same side, and this means numbers should be on the same side and variables should be on the same side. So variables are any letters that are in the equation. So on this one we only have one, which is x. So to do that, we have to eliminate the number that is on the left hand side and make sure we get it to the right hand side. We can do that by subtracting 2 from the left hand side, and the reason we are doing this is because 2 minus 2 will be 0 and we will be left with x on the left hand side. But what we do on the left, we must also do on the right. So you must always remember this on equations. So it will be x plus 2 minus 2 equal 5 minus 2. That gives us x on the left hand side and 5 minus 2 on the right hand side. X becomes 3. And the good thing about solve for x is that you are able to check if your answer is correct. And you can do this by substituting the x that you got onto the initial equation. So it will be x into that. So it will be 3 into x, which is 3 plus 2 on the left hand side equal 5. So if our left hand side is equal to the right hand side, this means that the x that we got is the correct answer. Moving to equation 2. So on the equation 2 now we have 2x minus 4 equals 7. Remember, the first step is to move like terms to the same side, variables on the left and numbers on the right. You can do it either way. So in an attempt to move like terms to the same side, we will say 2x minus 4 plus 4 equal 7 plus 4. The reason why we are adding 4 is to eliminate the 4 on the left hand side. But remember, what you do on the left, you also do on the right. So we'll be left with 2x equals to 11. But then we are not done with eliminating numbers to be on the same side and variables on the same side. So in this case, we will eliminate the 2 by dividing it by itself, because any number divided by itself equals to 1. So remember, whatever we do on the left, we must also do on the right. So 2x equals to 11 will then become 2x divided by 2 equals to 11 divided by 2. And then our x will be 11 divided by 2. Then to check if the answer is correct, you know what to do. And that is to substitute the 11 over 2 that we got as our x into the initial equation. Now moving to equation 3. So 2x minus 4 plus x equals to 7. So on this one, you will realize that we have 2 variables and 2 numbers. So now we need to do our step 1, which is to move like terms to the same side. So in this case, we have 2x plus x minus 4 plus 4 equals to 7 plus 4. The reason why we are adding 4 is because we want to eliminate the number that is on the left hand side. But remember, what you do on the left, you also do on the right. So that is why we also added it on the right hand side. So we will be left with 2x plus x equals to 7 plus 4. Therefore, 2x equals to 3 and 7 plus 4. 2x plus x equals to 3x, 7 plus 4 equals to 11. But now we are not yet done with eliminating the number from the left hand side, or with moving like terms to the same side. So in this case, we have to eliminate the 3 and be left with the x on the left hand side, and we will do this by dividing 3 by itself, because that will give us 1. So but remember, what you do on the left, you also do on the right. So that is why we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. And we will have 3x over 3 equals to 11 over 3, and then 3 over 3, like I said, it's 1. Therefore, we'll be left with x equals to 11 over 3. And to check if your answer is correct, you can always substitute it in the initial equation. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Remember, you can always send your problems to mathematics27maths@gmail.com if you want us to make videos solving them. Thank you for watching once again, and bye.